Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. So, Fawn had their new release, and if you spend $60, then you get an exclusive stamp set for free. And mine didn't get sent, so I had to email customer service. I'm waiting to hear from them, but I'm a little disappointed because, I mean, I can buy it elsewhere, and anyway, I was a little disappointed. So, hopefully that'll come. But they always send sheets of paper. So these are the sheets of paper. They're all sort of fall colors, except for this one, I think we use as a spring type. So you get that free. You get a stamp set, like a little mini sentiment. This is made with love. And then they always tie their stuff up with string. So here is that. So tied up with some twine that you can use. And sometimes I do actually use it. So let's go ahead and get started with what else I got. So I did buy the jumbo glue tube, mainly because, you know, I like their glue, but really because I needed to get to 60, and I don't want to be too over with 60 because, and I'm actually doing 2 orders, but I didn't want to be too over with $60 because I was buying the rest of my stuff at Not Too Shabby Shop. So what I did get, the Stitched Pond, to kind of go with this stamp set, which is Pool Party, and then the Pool Party die. So that was with the glue, was $65. And so then I realized that Not Too Shabby Shop at that time did not have the stitched teapot, and I really, really wanted the stitched teapot. So I ended up getting the teapot and the teacup, which didn't equal $60, but I did get that order, so I did that also from the Lawn Fawn shop. And then from Not Too Shabby, I really love the release, and I'm probably going to go back and buy the rest of it somewhere. I didn't get the sports stuff. They had a whole sports themed stuff. I didn't get that. It was a lot. I was spending a lot. So I just didn't get it. But I probably will eventually get it because I really, really like the release. So this is not from the Not Too Shabby Shop. The Zesty Lemon. And what I really love about the lemon in particular, I feel like the strawberry is really, can't be too many other things besides a strawberry. But the lemon can be a lime, it can be an orange, it can be any of the citrus fruits. So grapefruit even. So I love that, and so I did get this. It's just a die. Very cute. And then I got this treehouse die, which I thought would be really, really cute with all of the different creatures that I have, little critters from all the different companies that I have. I think this would be really cute. So there's that. I just need more time to craft, though, because I just don't. If you spent $60 in Jamie's shop, you got the Crock My World for free, and then I bought the die because I like to get the die. And then this is just the cutest set. Let me see if I can get it all together. Just adorable. This is the Simply Celebrate Critters. So it has kitty cats and dogs, mice, chickies, and bunnies. And then you have these little sentiments that can fit in there, and the dies. But also they have, this is like an add-on. So this one is Dad Jokes, and then it has these little, what do you call these little speech bubbles. But I think, like, if you didn't want to do something all together like this, maybe you only wanted a couple little kitties to talk, then you can use these little speech bubbles, and, you know, you can have your dogs, you know, your little puppies, telling each other dog jokes. You could do that. I think it'd be really cute. I also got the die for that. And then this is Simply Celebrate Critters add-on. This is Dad Jokes, but I think it really coordinates with this set. And then this is Simply Celebrate Critters add-on, so it's more words that you could fit in. And I also think it would go really well in the Reveal stamp set, which I really like that. I just don't use my stuff as much as I have time to do, you know. I really love this. It just reminded me, it's like this little tea party set. It's called Terrific Day. And I just think it's adorable. And I've seen really cute things done with it. And I think it go really well with some Alice in Wonderland stuff too. So very cute. This is, I think they got this from the Coco shop or something. Anyway, I'll put that over here because that's for something else. I bought this a while ago. This is I think it's German company. They have the cutest, like, layered type stamps, and a lot of them were sold out. I was so bummed, and I've checked periodically, and they're still sold out. So I'm probably going to go back and keep trying because they have some really, really cute stamps. This one right here reminds me a lot of Concord and Ninth's Turnabouts. So you do a similar thing. You just turn it around. I think it has this alignment guide, and you do with different colors, and you end up with this cute heart. And so they were having a 30% off sale. And so I was able to buy these, and, you know, so shipping wasn't too horrible, but I would love to buy the other stuff that they have. They have these really cute rainbows, and it was just sold out, still sold out. And then this one I thought was really fun too. And it also is another one that kind of layers on top of each other. And so you make ice cream cones and, what do you call these? Ice pops, I don't know, popsicles. And so it's just really cute. And I love how it just all layers on top of each other. I think that's really fun. So that's that. And then this is Spread Your Wings. And this is a layered butterfly where you can just stamp everything. It's like a two-step butterfly, and you have all these possibilities of making all these different types of butterflies. So I thought that was amazing. I also got, hopefully I didn't get to see that. Turn that over. I also got my monthly La La Land crafts. So this is a really, really cute one, and I really like it. So now, a lot of times you'll get these little critters that accompany a Marcy. But in this case, we've been getting some Lucas, and so the Lucas are cool. So, and also I think the dies sometimes are really, really good in this too. And this is no exception. So this is a layering die, but also you can use it separately. So you can use these as little mats. You can use this as a frame. It's very, very cute. And so we got this one, and we also got this chandelier. I saw someone use it as a birthday cake, which I thought was amazing. They use this as like candles, you know, and they use it as a birthday cake, which I thought was really, really clever. And then you get these two Marcy, and you get Luca. And the sentiments, you've got Style, Hello Gorgeous, Happy Birthday to One Handsome Fellow, Suit Up and Show Up. So it's Luca in tuxedo and dressed up Marcy. So this one's very fun. And I'll put this back because I like to hopefully not lose things. So there's that. And then the Miss Ink stamps. So I did this order a while ago. So I got this one, which I didn't have these two, I think, pretty sure, of the Alice collection. I think I have all the Alice collection except for maybe these two. I'm thinking I have to check and see. This is Smokin' Caterpillars, and this one is a sentiment one, and it is Wonderland Wisdom. Like, 3 inches is such a wretched height. Don't lose your muchness. Curiouser. So very cute. And then some other things that I got from them is this, which I really love. This is Miss Ink stencil. It's like a, what do they call it? I forget what, Latte Love. And then this is a layering mug stencil. And this one is Latte Lace, I think is what it's called. And then if you spend, I think it's $50, you get the stencil of the month, which is this one, which was this one. And then also they were having a special, I don't know, some sort of a special thing. I forget for what. I can't remember. One of the holidays, I don't know, they were running a special. So if you spent during that time, you got a discount, plus you got an additional free stencil. And so this is a stencil. It's a coffee and like mandala or mosaic or something. And it's a cute card. So that is from Miss Ink. And then from Simon Says Stamp, in their clearance, I got this one. This was not a clearance item. This actually goes with, I used a $5 off coupon with a die that I got that was on clearance, I think, from My Favorite Things. And then this, I think this was $9.99 or something crazy cheap. So I got it because what the heck, I could totally make use of it. And this is called Faraway Hugs. So you get this super fun, cute stamp set. It's large. I think it's a 6x8. And then you get the dies. And then the free gift is this beautiful die. So if you, I think you just had to buy something, you got this layered die. And so it's beautiful. And then it's the shadow layer, which I love. So that is my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Crank the Heart.